So, what exactly is incomplete linkage? Now, when two genes are present close to each other, there is a physical association between the genes on the same chromosome. But in case of incomplete linkage, there are chances of them getting separated during crossing over. And you can imagine if two genes which are present on the same chromosome during crossing over, if they get separated, then they are going to give you new combinations which were never before seen in the parental types. The fact that you get new combination, I hope you know that the new combination are referred to as the recombinant types, or we can call them as non-parental gene combinations. So whenever you get such non-parental gene combinations, then we can say that there is a chance of them getting separated. The fact that they get separated meaning they are not linked in a way that they will always stick to each other. There is a chance of them getting separated. That's why it is referred to as incomplete linkage. You can see in this example how they are getting separated is because of this phenomenon that happens during gamete formation, which is referred to as crossing over. Crossing over has led to formation of new combinations. The older combination are capital A's with capital B, small a is with small b. But the new combination you can see here, there is capital A along with small b and small a along with capital B, and these are referred to as the recombinant types because never before have you seen this kind of a combination where a gene capital A is associated with gene small b, or gene small a is associated with gene capital B. So what do we call these combinations? We call these two gametic combinations where capital A is with small b and small a is with capital B as non-parental gene combinations, or we call them as recombinant types. And the fact that capital A, capital B and small b have separated to give us such new combination, it tells us that capital A and capital B are all not always going to be together. Small a and small b are not always going to be together. They can get separated in order to form new combinations where capital A is with small b and small a is with capital B. That means they can undergo crossing over. There is formation of non-parental combinations. The fact that there is non-parental combination appearing, that means that the linkage is not something which will prevent them from separating always. They do get separated, and that's why it is considered as a case of incomplete linkage. Please remember, if it is complete linkage, you will not see any such new combinations of genes, or you will not see non-parental combination of genes. But in the case of incomplete dominance, you will see for the first time combinations such as capital A with small b and small a with capital B, which is not seen in the parental type. This is referred to as non-parental gene combinations or recombinant types.